In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to game share on your Xbox. So let's get started. So game sharing on Xbox console, specifically Xbox One and Xbox Series X or S, allows you to share digital games and content with a friend or family member so that they can play your games without purchasing them again. So it's basically gonna be an advantage to them since they won't have to pay any money once again for the same game. So first of all, you might be wondering on how you can set that up, and it's quite simple. So what you have to do is the first step, it's very similar to the PS5 one. So the first step is to set your Xbox as your home Xbox. So to do that, you'll have to go to your Xbox console and then press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Then you're gonna go over to profile and system and then go over to settings. So once that is done, you're gonna click general and then personalization. Then you can click on my home Xbox and then select make this my home Xbox. So once that is done, you're done with the first step. The next step is very simple. All you have to do is share your details for your Xbox Live account to your friend, so the email and password. So the next step is on your friend's Xbox, they need to sign in with your account details, so the email and password you provided them. So after they sign in, they need to go over to settings, choose general and personalization. So it's the same steps. Then they have to click select my home Xbox and make this my home Xbox. So it's basically repeating the same steps on your console and on your friend's console. So once your friend has set your account as their home Xbox, they can go to the Microsoft Store and download any games that you've purchased before. After downloading, your friends can play the games on their own Xbox account and on their own console. So that's how simple it is. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.